children, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited about this video because it's one of that video I really love to talk about and I really enjoy talking about is that traveling. And in this video, I'm going to show you the beauty of Kolkata and especially I'm going to take you to the Eden Garden. And I'm really excited about this video because I watched live match at Eden Garden. Yay! I don't know how many of you know this. Eden Garden is not open for visitors. ये तभी open होता है whenever there is a match, and it's not like धर्मशाला Himachal Pradesh stadium, cricket stadium, that any visitor, any tourist can go there. Eden Garden is only open when there is a match. Okay, so the day we reached Kolkata, we were taking city tour of Kolkata in local taxi, in yellow taxi. Okay, so we were passing by the cricket stadium, Eden Garden. We stopped our taxi there and we started clicking some pictures of the garden from outside. And the guard came first. So the driver said, अरे वो आया होगा कि मैं टैक्सी आगे कर लेता हूँ, you click some pictures. Okay, so the guard came and Papa told him that we are clicking some pictures and we will go after that. The guard said, it's okay, click it, and you can come tomorrow as well. And we were like, why? So he said that tomorrow is a Ranji match. You can come tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. He mentioned some timings like this. Okay. So he said tomorrow is Ranji match, and you can watch a stadium from inside as well. And if you will come any day, अगर आप कभी भी किसी और दिन भी आते हो, then you will not be able to go inside the stadium. And we were like, oh my god, we are going to watch Ranji match Eden Garden mein. So next day we went to Eden Garden again, and this time we went inside the Eden Garden and we watched live Ranji match. When we went to Eden Garden, तब हिमाचल का मैच हो रहा था और आई थिंक वेस्ट बंगाल का ही हो रहा था. आई मीन कोलकाता की कोई टीम थी, उनका मैच हो रहा था रणजी मैच. सो मज़ा ही आ गया था. तो हम वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट लाइक हाफ एन आवर तक थे एंड इट वॉज द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस. एंड येस, एंट्री फ्री थी. और क्या चाहिए आपको, फ्री में मैच देखने को मिल रहा है, वो भी दूसरी सिटी में जाके, इतने बड़े स्टेडियम में. सो डैट वॉज द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस. एंड वेदर भी अच्छा था, धूप भी अच्छी लग रही थी. आई नेवर प्लान्ड इट दैट आई वुड वॉच अ cricket match in some other country or some other city. That was unexpected and that was a surprise and I really enjoyed it. I have already seen Dharamshala Cricket Stadium and our Delhi wala stadium. क्या नाम है उसका? I don't remember that name. I have already seen that stadium from inside, and Delhi wale mein I have seen 2 to 3 times IPL matches. So, but whenever you travel to a new city and you see their culture and you see their gardens, you feel differently, and that was the feeling I really enjoyed it. So the purpose of the video and the story to share it with you is that whenever you travel to Kolkata and if Eden Garden is in your list, then you can talk to the guard that when is the Ranji match. Else you can check it online when is the Ranji match and you can plan your visit around that time, and you can watch the Eden Garden from inside it as well. And trust me, Eden Garden was beautiful. You would love it. If you are a cricket lover, I'm pretty sure that you would love to watch live match, whether it's Ranji match, whether it's IPL, whether it's or something. So yes, that is all I wanted to share in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye.